My name is Anna Boyer, and I'm the Director of Youth Community Services at Bert Nash Community Mental Health Center in Lawrence. Bert Nash provides a wide array of services to support mental health for community members throughout Douglas County. Among those services are adult services, which include therapy and case management to support folks in the changes they're wanting to make. We have homeless outreach programs and housing programs. We have children and youth services, which includes case management and therapy. We have school-based services in many of the Douglas County schools to provide mental health support to kids during the school day. We also have a mobile response team that will come to people's homes when they're in the midst of crisis and maybe not quite needing to leave their home. And all of these services work together to provide wraparound support for all Douglas County community members who are in need of some support with their mental health. You can call the Bert Nash Center at 785-843-9192. You can also come by our center at 200 Main Street. We have walk-in hours Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and on Fridays from 9 to 5. If you're in need of crisis services, you can access the Treatment and Recovery Center 24/7, which is directly north of the Bert Nash Center. If you're in need of crisis services by phone, you can call headquarters at 841-2345, and they will connect you with a counselor and can also connect to our mobile response team if needed. The Bert Nash Center is committed to addressing the mental health needs of our community in all the ways that they show up. And to that end, we have developed a lot of new programs over the last few years. One example of that is an adolescent substance abuse treatment group that we've just started. And there are plenty of many others that we've done, including the crisis programs that we're now implementing. And we're committed to continuing to look at how those programs work in the community, how they support people, and whether or not they're providing the impact and the support that we want. So we also are always happy to get feedback from community members about what would be helpful and what else we might need to provide to make sure that everyone in our community is thriving and living the best life that they can.